Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of understanding. Understanding is the ability to comprehend something. For example, foreign visitors with little understanding of English. American pronunciation. Understanding. Understanding. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Understanding. Say. Understanding. Understanding means ability to understand something. Understanding. Understanding. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Some things, however, seemed destined to remain beyond my understanding. Now, repeat after me. Some things, however, seemed destined to remain beyond my understanding. The second practice. My job here is to facilitate your understanding and ability. Now, repeat after me. My job here is to facilitate your understanding and ability. Visual representation of understanding. Understanding means. Understanding is the ability to comprehend something.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.